What is going on YouTube? Hater back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, we do have some important things to go over in today's episode. Over the past couple of days, as you guys can see here on my previous videos, if I zoom in, we've been tracking what appeared to be symmetrical triangle, ascending fractals, bull flag formations forming on most of the major cryptocurrencies. Now, we've confirmed that they have broken bullish. We were able to capitalize on these major pumps to the upside over the past couple of days. We've made a ton of profit patiently waiting for these cryptocurrencies and these technical indicators to break out and to erupt. And they have. And they have a couple of days ago. We did see a few bull traps, but even with that, we've powered through them. As you guys can see, do not be fooled by the major bull trap. It is over. We should be seeing that break. And as you guys can see, I made a video 2 days ago showing you the double bottom on XRP, the major explosion to the upside we've had. And then we're talking about the fact that maybe there is some other opportunities to get in on these breakouts if you've already missed out. Maybe you feel like you've missed out on these breakouts. Maybe these runs are over, but that doesn't necessarily mean there's still not an opportunity to get in on. It is still not too late to take advantage of these runs. Well, how do you do that? That's what I'm going to be showing you in today's video, because as you guys know, what goes up must come down. And not only that, we're also seeing a very interesting formation on Bitcoin, which hasn't yet broken out. And this is a good sign because it opens up another opportunity for us to capitalize off this run, because soon this kind of ascending fractal here, the beautiful flag pole, the beautiful flag itself, is inevitably going to be breaking. At some point or another, it is inevitably going to be breaking here. Whether it's up or down, doesn't matter. We will be able to capitalize on it. Ethereum is consolidating, which is really good. Same thing with XRP. So there's a lot of huge opportunities presenting themselves over the next couple of days. So definitely keep that in mind. But with all of that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, as you can clearly see here, BidFi is offering a way to earn up to $200 in free rewards. For those that don't know, BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly want on an exchange is offered on BidFi. So for those that haven't signed up, make sure to sign up with that link down in the description. It is completely free. Go claim your $200 in rewards. And then on top of that too, a lot of you guys have been asking about where you can find my trades. If you go on any of my previous videos or the one today and you scroll down to where I have Patreon here, literally click on Patreon and you can gain access to my cryptocurrency trades. We have 14 paid members currently. I haven't been promoting it much because the markets were kind of slow, but markets are starting, as you guys can see, to come back. And when these markets are coming back, now's the opportunity to take advantage of them. And you can get all my cryptocurrency trades right over here. My friend and I work on this. It's actually really well done. So make sure to check it out. If you don't like it, don't subscribe the next month, but I highly recommend you take advantage of it. Like I've said in the past, a lot of these cryptos have been flatlined for many, many, many months. We're finally starting to get back into things. Volume is starting to come back, and that's why I'm going to start to promote my crypto Patreon here, because this is where you can get access to those trades earlier than here on the channel, or it just works simultaneously with each other. But you can ask questions, you can talk to me, so on and so forth. Make sure to check that out. It is also down in the description below. We have multiple plans here. We have the Gold Trader, the Lounger, Crypto Platinum, and then we have the Trading Masterclass. So lots of cool stuff on here. We still keep updated. 3 days ago, 4 days ago, many days ago, we update constantly on here. So make sure to give it some love down in the description below. But with that being said, moving forward into today's video, as you guys can clearly see, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are starting to consolidate here. On the top 10 cryptocurrencies, we're starting to consolidate yet again. As you guys can see, we're up about 1.46% here. Consolidation has taken over. Flatline, flatline, flatline. Not really much movement over the past 7 days besides maybe XRP, Solana, BNB, but you can see 24 hours, nothing's really happened. And if you just look at these charts, nothing really apparent or nice in that sense is happening here that would give me interest or reason to buy back in. But for the time being, let this consolidation play out, because as it consolidates, bigger things are going to open up, and that will give us an opportunity to take advantage of it. As I've said numerous times here, it is not too late to take advantage of the XRP movements here. We've talked about this day in and day out, how there are consistent bull flag formations here that happen all the time on XRP. Here's the first one. We have 1, we have 2, 3. That is terrible. Let me restart this. Here we go. Here's the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and now we're looking for the 5th bull flag formation. Well, how is it a bull flag formation? Well, take a look. You can see here. Here's a flagpole, and for those that don't know what a bull flag is, let's type in bull flag crypto so you guys can understand what that would look like. Here's what a bull flag starts to appear like. Here's the Binance chart here. This is what a bull flag in cryptocurrency would look like. Flagpole, flag, breakout. Now let's take it back to XRP here. Well, check it out. It's been a consistent change of events. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag itself. Here's the breakout. That's 1. Now check it out again. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag itself. Here's the breakout. That's 2. Here we go again. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag itself. Here's the breakout. That's 3. Let's keep going. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag itself. Here's the breakout. That's 4. Now we are on the 5th one. We are forming that. So yes, the tail does end up being the flagpole. The breakout does become the flagpole. That is correct. But let's see how high we go. We're starting to become extremely overbought. The same overbought level we did in the past here, trading at 87 on the RSI at a peak. So we should be seeing this kind of veer off. This most likely is the end of this amazing bull run that we've taken advantage of here. You can clearly see that double bottom breakup, but even then, so this should be the end here. Taking profits, locking in, moving that stop loss up to make sure you don't lose out on this opportunity here. Now what we're going to be looking for is movement like this. This is the movement. What does that form? This is going to form the actual flag itself. So we'll have the flagpole, the flag, and then a breakout yet again. This is the consistent movement here on these cryptocurrencies that we've been watching patiently over many events, many weeks, many days here. So that's the idea here, is to focus on the fact that maybe we've peaked now and we're going to start to see the decline form a descending fractal followed by a breakout, a consistent bull flag formation. Obviously, we've been taking advantage of these trades on BidFi. Like I said, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi has allowed me to buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of is offered on BidFi, including XRP leverage trading. You can see right here, we have the cross, we have the leveraging amount that you would like to use, cross isolated trading, we have the take profit, we have the stop loss, we have long and short positions. This is how we've been able to capitalize on the BidFi trades. Even better, for those that have already signed up, make sure to click BidFi right here. Welcome rewards. You can earn up to $2,888. Super easy, super free. Make sure to check that out down in the description below. And moving forward from XRP, looking at these other cryptocurrencies, it is very obvious that we are breaking out of the major flagpole formation or the symmetrical triangle formation on Ethereum here. Here's the breakout. Now we're starting to hit a bit of turbulence. That's okay. We are priced out at the top. I would suspect consolidation is necessary now, so I would switch things into a bearish look. Short term, it's a healthy pullback needed to continue to pump higher, not on just Ethereum, not on just XRP, but on the S&P 500 too. Then we'll talk about Bitcoin. You can see the S&P is also forming a beautiful bull flag formation here, which is looking for a break. But as you can see, we've peaked at the top here. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days of just green. As you can see, we're now veering to the top. I've said we might start to stagnate here, then correct, then break out. That's my belief. It was either an immediate drop, then breakout, or a head up, then drop, then breakout, but a drop nonetheless. So we're getting very close to retesting this. At some point, this is going to become a rejection point. Will fall and then will break out. That's the ideal goal. That's where my mind is on these cryptocurrencies. We've had huge opportunities to buy in. We did do that right over here. So keep that in mind, as I do believe we are going to be heading even higher up very soon within the S&P 500 and these cryptocurrencies. And now, why did I show you that first? Because this is showing signs of correction. So is Ethereum, so is XRP. That means Bitcoin should be seeing a possible correction too. If we use those three as an influence on Bitcoin, there's a possibility Bitcoin can do the same. Obviously, we are focused on this because this is going to be a huge opportunity for those that maybe missed out on XRP, Ethereum, the S&P. Well, you'll have that opportunity in Bitcoin because, as you can see, this consolidation does not last that long. And at some point, we're going to confirm closure above. We're going to confirm closure below, which is going to cause a major spiral in some sort of direction. So keep your eyes peeled on that, as this Bitcoin is the next on my list. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.